Welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday, and as promised, today I'll be talking about managing those apps and extensions you've added to Chrome. We're going to start off with apps, and again, you can get to your apps by clicking on the button on your Chrome menu bar in the upper left-hand corner. And once you do that, the page where your apps are listed will open up, and you can start using any of those apps just by left-clicking on the icon. In order to customize the app, you would right-click on the icon, and that would give you several other options. You can decide how you want that app to open within your browser. You can view it in the web store to review the details about how it works or what it does. You can remove it from Chrome completely if it's an app you've decided isn't useful for you anymore, or you can create a shortcut on your desktop, start menu, or taskbar if it's an app that you use frequently. Moving on to extensions, you can find your extensions in 3 different places. The first place is to the right of your omnibar, indicated by these icons that are listed here. You can sometimes find extensions right within your omnibar. For example, this is a presentation remote that will only show up when I have a web page opened that requires presenting. The third place you can find extensions is by right-clicking right in the web page, and the extensions will open up in the pop-up box that shows up here if they are accessible. So in order to use an extension, you would just left click on it, the same as with an app. In order to customize an extension, you would right click on the icon, and if options are available, you would just click on options, and that would open up a page where you can kind of customize how that extension would work for you. If you wanted to manage that extension, you would go down to Manage when you right click, and that would lead you to the Chrome menu. Now, if you didn't have any extensions up here, but you still wanted to get to the same place, you can easily get there by going over to your Chrome menu, clicking on Settings, and then clicking Extensions on the left-hand side of the page. You can see that all of the extensions that I've attached to my account are listed here in alphabetical order. Now, if I decided that I wanted to still have an extension connected to my account, but I didn't want the icon to show up here, or it was taking up a lot of memory and I still wanted it there, but I didn't want it to be running in the background all of the time, I would just go right over here to this checkbox next to enabled, and I would uncheck that box. And you can see that now the extension is grayed out and the icon is no longer available from my menu bar. If I wanted to re-enable it, all I would do is place a check in that box again, and it would then turn in color and the icon would be relocated up on my menu bar. There are several other things you can do here, such as visit the websites, look at the permissions, or access the options for your extensions, and then you can customize it to best meet your needs. Thanks for watching. Slam!